Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Saurambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: settling the boundary dispute between Meghalaya and Assam is the responsibility of the state government, says Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Young members of National People's Youth Front hold meeting at Usosotham Auditorium in Shillong. Khasi Students' Union opposes Harijan's demand for providing 2,000 square feet of land per family residing in Maulong Hut. And Don Bosco Youth Center opens new course on beautician. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today said the settling of the boundary dispute between Meghalaya and Assam is the responsibility of the state government. Speaking to the media, Conrad K. Sangma said, "People have the right to speak, but it should not be a personal attack." When asked to comment on the move of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to approach the court on the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the Chief Ministers of Meghalaya and Assam, the Chief Minister said, "I have nothing to say on that."
Any kind of personal attack or politics in this. This is the issue of the people. Our government has been very committed to it. I have been very committed to it. The chairmen of the different regional committees have been committed to it. There is no reason for anybody to doubt the sincerity and the intention of this government to find an amicable and best solution, keeping the larger interest of the people of the state in mind. What we are trying to do here is trying to find a solution to a problem. And a complicated issue like this cannot be solved by us putting documents on the table or them putting documents on the table. We have been mentioning from day one that this is not a division between countries. This is simply a boundary or administrative control within a country of India.
Young members of National People's Youth Front today met at Usosotham Auditorium in Shillong. The program was graced by National and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, National Vice President Preston Tinsong and others. Those who spoke on the occasion were Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, National Vice President Preston Tinsong, State President of NPP Dr. W.R. Kharluki, James K. Sangma and others.
I would want the NPYF to ensure and to work towards building up more bridges, building up and bringing down these language barriers. Why can't some of our Garo friends start giving speech in Khasi? And why can't our Khasi friends start speaking in Garo? Let NPYF take this up. You must. This is the message that we should give to the state, that our youth will respect all communities, will respect all tribes. We are a state, and we must ensure that these small barriers that are there, which could be things that sometimes are areas of concerns, we can easily bring it down by taking these initiatives and learning.
The Khasi Students' Union today strongly opposed the Harijan's demand to provide 2,000 square feet of land per family. The KSU asked the state government to not concede to their demand.
Ban lech jaka ba sarkar panbet ke kota rofer sarkar panbet ke tinong nung trei jongka ongo ke kata ndai timdai pat ban pri pat ke jong gobor ban dawa la jong ke jaka jong khandong jong ying ke set dala ki persang ban le tumni na sarai ndai tang mangi ban ki ban sar ndai apori ke sopoi bobon bolang ke sathai da kanu ma ka talaki mikran dak bahasa kata tinggi kerana kerwo ke bahasa seperti itu bersama bahasa arti nice so crowd nice so bahe kat bidang yasa bidang jam dah kecing yasa maka kecing jam baru sekata dan maki kis persang pen ibat dah kene galantir komong koman ngatrai untuk kamhi yaki ben ong bakinang gawar tak kandau bersiap tak jaka ben senai ngasem ngatrai ndawa wandiang kecing kita sajisin secuak cuma bun balan ngatrai kete jaka cuma dah anu mak kata orang message bahasa kami tuak angkeran tersebut. Bani ngek bagi sarkar bani sotu bakam dehi ban pan sobha ik ni gibrin hari ke belle ko jong kamram gom kalan ti tri belle mar teng teng ada syak pen praying prasem ki pondok posnam ngamjui ki pondok posnam jungi kin dawa ang pasnai yang pentit ndau jaka ini staki ong ba ki shong sak bia reng tu di bun ma ki shong bia sak bia ik bisa bi anin na ya keren pen kendria ud bot ik kinong trai ik bisa bi anin ban kam ya keren le jong kamram kata ka di ke duty pom teng government ki belle ko magale lang ni ki pondok posnam ki ju uru ki ban apply the senior stake ki bri shong sak ti.
The Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo people, Garo Hills Zone today, reiterated its demand for removal of Srimati Jewariya Islam from the post of Project Officer of Meghalaya Non-Conventional and Rural Energy Development Agency. Earlier, the FKJJP had submitted a written complaint to the Director of MNREDA, but until date, no such action has been taken on the part of the government. The FKJJP said that it came to know from reliable sources that Jewariya Islam is not qualified to hold that post, as she had recently completed the bachelor's degree in sociology from Guwahati University.
West Garo Hills district na ko mamang government ni Meghalaya Sorkari ni mamang dongaman niyam ko jarak kija illegally appoint ka ani bidingo chinga complaint letter ko na uni bidingo dao na kangkang ba chingna mamang response pa dong puja agency ni director ni mamang dakpi intimation letter ang ba chungna sok puja ya mande ko ragal ha warang ni bidingo ba mamang cover ba chungna sok puja uni man chinga dalo reminder letter ko thaya aru ni gesa po angay ko achka song doing pa achka kantina nagi vietna skinga J Jawari Islam ko J kon project officer sew ka cham.
Don Bosco Youth Center Shillong, one of the premier vocational training centers in Northeast, providing employable short-term courses in computer, media and soft skills, today made another leap by providing a new course on beautician. The course was formally declared open by Brother Barnabas Kriam, the manager of Don Bosco Technical School Shillong, at Don Bosco Youth Center, Latumkra, Shillong. On this occasion, Father Arcadius Puwen, the principal of Don Bosco Technical School Latumkra, blessed the facilities of the beautician room. May we update the viewers and supporters of Don Bosco Media Network that Don Bosco Youth Center is currently running 42 short-term courses with very less fees for availing these courses. Don Bosco Youth Center also facilitates placement for those who do well in courses. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.